Hello Auburn families, this is Mr. McCrossin on the 6th grade math team, and I'm here to talk about some of our math programs that we use. The one I'm going to talk about today is IXL. So when your student logs in on their Chromebook, the first website that pops up is called Symbaloo. And Symbaloo is kind of the first connector to all their programs that they'll use as a student learner, and just helpful links to make it easier on them. For math, what they need to do is click on this blue word down here, clever. So you're going to be clicking on clever. Now because I'm a teacher, I have to go through the staff clever, but the pages are going to look identical. The first thing that pops up, it says, hey, are you logging in with your Auburn School District Google account? The answer is yes. We don't want your student memorizing a bunch of different passwords, so everything is connected to their student account. But it does mean there's a few extra clicks to make sure we log in correctly. So when it allows a student to log in with Google or log in with Clever, both are doing the same function, saving your student from memorizing passwords. So your student needs to click log on with Google. Now I can see up here that IXL is already in my favorites. Now it may not be in your student's favorite. The reason it's in my favorites is because I click this heart icon. So if they're not seeing this all green IXL, they need to scroll down, find the IXL that's all green, and hit the heart icon. Now when you log into IXL, again it's going to log you in with Clever. The first thing you want to check, the very first thing, is you want to make sure that your name is in the top right hand corner. If you do not see your name in the top right hand corner, it means you made a mistake when you were logging on. Oftentimes the student will just click on a direct link, jump right into IXL, but they're not logged on. And then they say, hey, I did that work, but I didn't get any credit for it. And the first question your teacher is going to ask is, did you see your name in the top right hand corner? Were you logged on? Again, if a student sees their name here, then they are already doing amazing. Now, as teachers, we do use IXL to do some lessons and some practice because we can monitor the students live, meaning we can see if they get stuck, we can see their progress, and it's great practice. IXL is different from Big Ideas in that IXL is a lot of smaller lessons and smaller practice. It's breaking down single skills. And that's why it's really good in our classroom to incorporate some of that math practice, but also the fact that we can monitor them even though they're not in our classroom. For the most part, your student will be going through learning. They're going to go through math, and they'll have by grade level, where we can assign lessons. We can go by topics, or we can go by skills plan. Now we may have your student do a small assessment so that their skills plan is accurate. And the skills plan will work on any of the skills that they need the most. And so this is a great time to use some freeform practice and some asynchronous work time to get some of that skills plan better. Also, we can assign them skills, and those will pop up here in their skills plan. We do a small minor test on here, but again, it's just to know where their strengths and weaknesses are. And this is one that we kind of monitor throughout the year. Beyond that, how we'll use it this year, beyond just a little bit of classroom practice, hard to say. For the most part, we'll have direct links telling students, hey, this is the specific skill that you need to practice, and it will take them right there. But what I want to highlight is your name has to be in the top right hand corner. If your student followed a link and their name's not there, they're not logged in, they're not going to get credit. That's the biggest frustration we have with this program. So I hope this video was a little helpful. Check our daily instructions and our slideshows and our websites for actually what skill we want your student to practice. We will send out links, we'll send out tutorial videos all along the way. This is just a general breakdown of where IXL is located and what it is. If you have additional questions, please reach out to Ms. Singh or myself. We'll be happy to add to this video to make it a little easier for parents. And if there's other things that you want to know more about IXL, again, we're happy to answer. Make it a great day, and see you in the next video.